नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। और बैंकिंग अपडेट्स में फ्रॉड केसेज इन द पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स इंक्रीज 6 टाइम इन फाइनेंशियल ईयर 24। फाइनेंशियल 24 में बैंक में जो फ्रॉड्स हुए हैं वो 6 टाइम बढ़ गए हैं। इंस्टेंसेज ऑफ फ्रॉड इन पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स सर्ज नियरली 6-fold in the 23-24 fiscal year compared to the previous year, rising from 4,787 to nearly 28,000 cases. This significant increase was revealed through an analysis of the annual reports from the 8 public sector banks. Type of frauds. The reported frauds encompassed a variety of types, including both borrowing and non-borrowing frauds, such as digital and cyber frauds. Bank of Baroda and Punjab National Bank lead in fraud cases. Bank of Baroda recorded the highest number of fraud cases in financial year 24 with 12,061 incidents, a stark increase from the 784 cases reported in financial year 23. Punjab National Bank reported 7,112 fraud cases in financial year 24 compared to 289 in the previous fiscal year. Areas most affected by fraud. Most fraud cases in PSBs were concentrated in the digital payments and card businesses, with additional cases in the loan portfolio. The Reserve Bank of India corroborated this trend in financial year 24 annual report, highlighting a 708% increase in the online fraud cases over the past 2 years, reaching 29,082 cases. State Bank of India's decline in fraud cases. Contrary to the trend, the State Bank of India reported a decrease in fraud instances in financial year 24. SBI documented 1,586 fraud cases, a 42% decline from the 2,745 cases reported in the financial year 23. These included cases involving the compromised customer credentials such as OTPs, card verification, values, and the password. Reduction in fraud amounts. Despite the rise in the number of fraud cases, the total amount involved in these fraud decreased significantly. This reduction is attributed to the predominance of small ticket online and card transaction in the fraud reported. Overall fraud amount dropped from rupees 15,236 crore in financial year 23 to rupees 7,134 crore in financial year 24, a 52% decline. SBI reported a reduction in the fraud amounts from rupees 4,878 crore in financial year 23 to rupees 3,406 crore in financial year 24. PNB maintained a consistent fraud amount of rupees 1,803 crores in both the year financial year 23 and 24. Measures of the combat fraud. Banks and the regulators are intensifying their efforts to curb fraudulent activities. Over the past 3 years, banks have significantly increased their investment in information technology, infrastructure to combat cyber risk, and enhance technology-related capabilities. Indian Overseas Bank plans to increase its IT investment by 15 to 20% in financial year 25, following an expenditure of around 1,100 crores on cybersecurity and other measures. Bank of Maharashtra increased its IT infrastructure spending from rupees 800 crore in financial year 23 to rupees 900 crore in financial year 24, with plans to exceed rupees 1,000 crore in financial year 25. SDFC Bank allocates about 7% of its total expenditure to IT, adjusting its spending as per the typical investment cycle. Axis Bank spent 9.3% of its total operating expenses for rupees 9,319 crore on technology and digital initiative in quarter financial year 24, creating its strong product position to the continuous investment in people, process and technology over the past 5 years. सारे बैंक को प्रयास कर रहे हैं कि फ्रॉड के केसेस कम हों और उसके लिए टेक्नोलॉजी और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर तैयार कर रहे हैं ताकि आने वाले दिनों में फ्रॉड्स कम हो, क्योंकि 23 और 24 में 6 टाइम का इंक्रीज हुआ है नंबर ऑफ केसेस में। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार।